சைக்குட்டி. இன்னைக்கு வந்து மை பாடி அதை பற்றி பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஓகேவா? Dash is the tube connecting our throat to the stomach. Very good. Which organ helps us hear different sounds?
Yes.
Very good. Which sense organ is used while watching movie?
Eyes.
Very good. Name the body organ that helps our bones move.
Muscles.
Very good. Wearing glasses on a hot sunny day protect our
Eyes.
Very good. Name the sense organ that is involved in determining whether an ice cream tastes sweet or bitter.
Tongue.
Very good. Dash helps in the digestion of food.
Stomach.
Very good. Which internal organ controls all body parts and important organ?
Brain.
Very good. Where two bones are meet, dash are found.
Joint.
Very good. Which organ system consists of the lungs?
Respiratory system.
Name the organ system that consists of muscles.
Muscular system.
Very good. Dash protect our lungs.
Rib cage.
Very good. What is the exact number of bones in a human body?
206.
Very good. How many milk teeth does a child have?
20.
How many senses do we have?
5 senses.
Very good. What are the two holes in the nose called?
Nostril.
Very good. Which sensory organ is involved while listening to the music?
Ears.
Very good. How many lungs are there in our body? Lungs.
2 lungs.
Very good. Blood without oxygen is dash in color.
Blue color.
Blood with oxygen is dash in color.
Red color.
Very good. What system helps us to take air from outside?
Respiratory system.
Very good. Which body parts is called storehouse of knowledge?
Brain.
Which organ is located in chest?
Lungs.
Very good. Which organ in our body is used to smell?
Nose.
Very good. Our skin gives us the sense of
Touch.
Very good. Which organ controls the body function?
Brain.
How many holes are there in an ear?
1.
Very good. Ears are used to
Yes.
A human body has dash hands.
2.
We chew food through our
Teeth.
Very good. Our both hands have dash fingers.
10.
We smell food with
Nose.
Very good. Human body has dash eyebrows.
2.
The color of your hair is?
Black.
How many nose do you have?
1. Nose.
Very good. We see object with our see object.
Eyes.
Very good. Which organ in our body is used to smell?
Nose.
Our skin gives us the sense of skin.
Touch.
Very good. Which organ controls the body function?
Brain.
The smallest particle which constitute to form a human body is called?
Cell.
Very good.